In today's video, I'm going to teach you build comprehensive agency workflows in Airtable. By the end, you'll have a clear, repeatable system that keeps your clients, projects, tasks, and approvals organized and moving forward. Start by logging into Airtable on your desktop and opening the base where you want to build. You can use a new base if you're starting fresh or an existing one if you already have some data. The goal is to create a single source of truth for your agency. Before building, outline the key processes you run every day. Think about client onboarding, project management, task assignments, and reporting or approvals. This list is your blueprint and will guide how you structure the base so you're not reinventing the wheel later. Next, translate those processes into core tables. Create a clients table to store contact details and onboarding status. Add a projects table to track timelines and progress. Build a tasks table for assignments, deadlines, and priority. And create a deliverables table for files, milestones, and approvals. Link these tables so each client connects to their projects, each project rolls up to its tasks, and deliverables are always tied to the right place. Now define fields clearly so the data is actionable. Use single select fields for consistent statuses and priorities. Use collaborator fields to assign work. Add date fields for due dates and timelines, and attachment fields for files and handoffs. Clear, consistent fields make filtering, reporting, and automation effortless. Create views that match each workflow stage. Set up views for pending tasks, tasks in progress, completed work, and high-priority projects. Tailored views help your team focus on what matters today without digging through noise. Let's add automations to cut manual work. Automatically assign tasks when a new project is created. Notify team members as deadlines approach. Update status fields when tasks are completed. If you need a quick cert, there's a link to Airtable at the top of the description so you can follow along and build these automations step by step. Layer in conditional logic with formulas and conditional fields. Flag overdue tasks as urgent. Calculate project completion based on task status. And highlight priority clients or projects so leaders can act quickly. Test your system with sample records. Create a few clients, projects, and tasks. Flip statuses and confirm notifications and updates fire correctly. Then train your team. Share the right views, explain how to update records, and clarify what each status means. Finally, maintain and improve. Review your tables, views, and automations regularly, and refine statuses, triggers, or formulas as your agency grows. That's how to build comprehensive agency workflows in Airtable. Thanks for watching.